Good morning, students. Myself, Kiran Yadav. I'm your English teacher of class 4. This is your textbook. So, today we are going to read our next poem, The Naughty Boy, from unit number 9 and chapter number 18. So, this poem is about a naughty boy, and this poem is written by John Keats. So John Keats, and he was a famous English poet, and this poem is about a boy who is very naughty. So let's see what naughtiness he has done. Let's read this poem. There was a naughty boy, and a naughty boy was he. He ran away to Scotland, the people there to see. Then he found that the ground was as hard that a yard, was as long that a song, was as merry that a cherry, was as red that lead was as witty, that fourscore was as 80, that a door was as wooden as in England. So he stood in his shoes and he wondered. He wondered. He stood in his shoes and he wondered. So, children, this poem is about a boy who lives in England. He ran away to Scotland. So once he ran to the Scotland, he wants to see the places in Scotland, and he must have heard a lot about the Scotland, so he wants to see everything there. So what he did, he ran away to Scotland. And why? Because he want to see people and many things out there. So let's see, what did he found? Then he found that the ground was as hard that a yard, was as long that a song. So what did he find? He found that the ground the ground of Scotland was as hard, tough as England ground. So and he found that yard that as long as in England. And the songs of Scotland were also as that much merry, as that much pleasure was as was in England. So he found same in the Scotland as same was in England. Scotland and England. That a cherry was as red, that lead was as wet. He found cherry, that fruit, it is also as red. That lead, that metal was equally weighted. That fourscore was as 80. So fourscore means 4 times 20. So he found 4 times 20 is 80 in the England also and Scotland. That a door was as wooden as in England. The wooden door was as in England, same Scotland. So he stood in his shoes and he stood in his shoes and he wondered. So what did he find? That everything, all the things that he found in Scotland, they were as equal as those things here are in England. So he was stood in his shoes and he was wondered, he was amazed, he was surprised to see that all the things are equal. There is nothing that much change in Scotland and England. So that's all. This poem is written by Romanticism poet John Keats. Now let's see new words. Naughty means disobedient, mischievous, who disobeys others. Found means to discover. Ground, the solid surface of the earth. Merry, cheerful, happy. Weighty, having a great weight. Wooden, made of wood. Now let's see questions. From where did the naughty boy come? So the naughty boy came from England. Where did the naughty boy go? The naughty boy went to the Scotland. Why did he go there? He went there to see its people and things there. What did the boy wonder about? He wondered all the things found in Scotland were all the same as in England. What do you think the naughty boy would see in India? Obviously, the naughty boy would see everything same in India. Now next exercise, word building. Naughty is a describing word. Can you find more describing word in this maze? So I have already found it. So what is describing word? Describing word called adjective that describe noun or pronoun. Like he is a good boy. So good is a describing word. Good is describing to a boy, to a noun or a pronoun. Now write these words here. So the peacock is a beautiful word. So beautiful is describing word. Pinocchio is a naughty puppet. So naughty is a describing word. I saw an ugly squirrel. Morning exercise makes you healthy. So healthy is a describing word. A glass of milk makes your teeth strong. Rita's desk behavior annoyed me. So rude. Rahul does not eat green vegetables, therefore his eyesight is weak. Okay. Let's write. Can you write 6 things that are made of wood? So now here we will write some things which are made of wood. Chair, table, door, window, pencil, and ladder. So these things are made of wood. Look at the words given below and put them under the things that are made of. So here are 4 metal, wood, rubber, cloth, and some words given in this box. So we will part it. मेटल में कौन कौन सी चीज़ें आएंगी वो हम यहाँ पे राइट करेंगे. बलून, सो बलून विल बी रबर. चेयर, वुड. टेबल, इरेजर. शर्ट, पेंसिल. टॉयज, car, trousers, knife, scissors, and cap. Okay. Who do you think is the naughtiest child in your class? Describe her, him in 5 lines. You will do it yourself. You will write 5 lines about a boy which is in your class who do mischievous things, who is naughty. Okay. So which country does your clown belong to? Now complete the table below. India नेशन है, इसकी नेशनलिटी इंडियन. स्कॉटलैंड स्कॉटिश. ऑस्ट्रेलिया ऑस्ट्रेलियन. फ्रांस फ्रेंच. जापान जापानीज. So here your chapter is over. I hope you have understood. So thank you. Have a nice day.